Which color they are? They are orange, white, green. What is in the center of the flag? Ashoka Chakra is in the center of flag. What is in the color of Ashoka Chakra? The color of Ashoka Chakra is blue. What is the Indian currency called? The Indian currency is called rupee. How many paise make 1 rupee? 100 paise make 1 rupee. What is the name of our school? The name of our school is Swami Vivekananda English Medium School, Hukkeri. Which is our country? Our country is India. Which is our country? Our country is India. Which is our state? Our state is Karnataka. Which is our district? Our district is Belagavi. Which is our national anthem? Our national anthem is Janaganamana. Which is our state anthem? Our state anthem is Jai Bharat Janani Kanjate. Which is our national animal? Our national animal is tiger. Which is our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. Which is our national flower? Our national flower is lotus.